it's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia! Everything's good! 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 Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Actually, you're wondering why I'm wearing a mask. It's because I have some merch that I want to show you guys. So, I have this face mask. So, it comes in the coral color. It says Chef Maia at the top. And it has my little picture that I drew. And it says Chef Binky. He will be in some of the videos, not this video today. But anyways, you should really buy it. It comes in the color coral, blue, black, white, yellow. And I think and red. And I think green. But yeah, you should really buy it. It protects, especially if you're going out and like the coronavirus, even though I don't know if you really should be doing that. But anyways, if you have to like go get some groceries or something, always wear this mask. It has me on it, and yeah, it's awesome. Shout out to Teespring for letting me make this. You can buy it at my Teespring website. So, if you go follow these instructions right here, right here, I'll tell you what to do. And so, I'll just go through it. So, go to my YouTube channel, and then go to the About Me page, and then it will say merch with a cool face and a exclamation point. You'll see it, and click on that, and then you can go ahead and buy some of these masks. I am making more merch soon, so don't worry. I'm gonna be selling aprons. That's gonna be awesome, and like yeah, it's gonna be awesome, and t-shirts and stuff. So let me just take this off. I don't know where I put my glasses. I took them off, but I don't know where I put them. So for this episode, I'm just not gonna wear any glasses. So yeah, let me put this away and let's get started with the video. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Chef Maia, Everything's Good. Today we will be making s'mores, so let's get cooking. Our ingredients that we will need are 1 marshmallow, a Hershey bar, 2 graham crackers, and what we'll be needing right now is a plate. I'm going to use a paper plate like I usually do because you really don't need a real plate for this. So let's get our ingredients, and yeah. Okay guys, once you got your marshmallow, Hershey bar, and graham crackers, let's go ahead. First what we will be doing is getting the graham crackers. So what I mean by 2 graham crackers, I mean the whole one, like 2 of these. So really just 1 whole one and then snap it together. Lots of people use honey grams, and I mean honey made graham crackers. I do that all the time. Most likely you have those. If you don't, that's totally fine. But if you have like the graham crackers with like the cut parts, so you can just like break it apart easily, then that's good. So just do that. So what you'll need to be doing is put 1 marshmallow top of 1. So and then like kind of like flatten it out and make sure it like sticks onto there. It doesn't go off. Might think this is like, oh, this is so easy. Don't just put a marshmallow on top of a chocolate one. I just really wanted to make a video of this. So we're gonna do that. So next, what we want to do is get our chocolate bar. So the small chocolate bars, like the Hershey bar. If you have like the big ones, then just put a little bit on there. So like put like this big of a size. I don't know why I broke it, but like this big of a size. And so lay it out. I'm not a big chocolate fan, so I'm just gonna do 2 of these. But you should really use like 4, probably. I'm not really sure. I'll probably use these for another s'more that I can make like in a couple of days. S'mores aren't really healthy, but they taste good. So yeah. So next, what we want to do, go ahead. We're just going to be using the microwave. So we're going to also, this is kind of an experiment because I put marshmallows in the microwave and they like go big. Like, I mean, really big. And it's kind of funny, so we're just going to do that. So let me carry you guys when I walk. So want to go ahead. Our microwave, you want to put the marshmallows in for 30 seconds. I mean, the plate in for 30 seconds. So let's do that real quick. Open it up. Put in like that. And just press the start button. It adds 30 seconds. Then we'll just be waiting. And yeah, so you should really watch them so you want to make sure the chocolate melts and yeah. And okay, mine is good enough, I think. So we will just be right now we are going to get the chocolate graham cracker, place it on top of the marshmallow one, and then here is our s'mores. You can see it. You won't be able to see the chocolate, but that's fine because the marshmallow is covering it. So yeah, that's our s'mores, and we are going to go ahead and test it right now. And taste it and see if it tastes good. Okay guys, I am ready. I just had to take my gum out really quickly. And so let's test it. If you want the chocolate to be a little bit more melted, then yeah, you could do that. So just put it in for like 10 more seconds. I'm just gonna eat this part a little bit. So let's test it. Look at that. Delish. So yeah, the chocolate's melted. Marshmallow's melted. It's not hard right now, so that's good. Kind of want to eat these fast because marshmallows get harder and like if you wait a long time once they go in the microwave. So gooey and delicious. So yeah, guys, I recommend making this dessert. It's really good. Sorry. Just saying, next episode, we're going to try to make cotton candy ice cream. I'm just going to have to get a lot of stuff for that, but it's going to taste really good, so. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this and decide making this dessert. And yeah, so please subscribe and like. Our goal is 100 by 8 days or the end of August. It's probably going to be the end of August, which is totally fine. Could be a late birthday gift, totally fine. But anyways, that's it for today, and yeah, so have a great day, and bye! Sorry, my mouth is still covered in chocolate, but I just want to say, I could have copied the exact recipe off this box. I did not see it. You could do that if you want, or you could have watched this video. But yeah, I didn't copy this. I actually didn't see it. Usually I just look at the front of the box, not really the back. The only boxes I look at the back are Cheez-Its. Because Cheez-Its have cool stuff on the back. Not saying other boxes have boring stuff. It's just that Cheez-Its are delicious. Alright, anyways, bye! Oh, and guys, if you guys are wondering who is Chef Binky, well, it's a dog. Especially my dog. And here you can see him laying on the ground. Binky, come on. The people want to see you. Well, he's just resting. This is what he looks like. I could just put a photo right here of what he looks like, really. And yeah, okay. Bye. Everything's good.